Hi guys, welcome back to latest tech. To reset the Redmi A3. The first thing you have to do is to power off the phone. Use the power key to switch off the phone. Give it a few seconds for the phone to completely goes off. After it does, return to the power key, and this time we are pressing the up key together with the power key. Press the two keys together, the power key and the volume up key together for a few seconds. When you see the Redmi logo, release the two keys at once. Wait for the recovery menu to come up. It should be no command, so this is no command. How you can exit no command is simple. You need to go back to the power key, press and hold the power key, then tap the volume up key once to exit the no command. The next thing you have to do in order to reset, unlock this Redmi A3, you need to use your volume down key to take you to wipe data stroke factory reset. When you get to wipe data stroke factory reset, use the power key because it serves as your select key. This is the final place that will help you to reset the Redmi A3. The next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to navigate to factory data reset. When you get to factory data reset, the next thing you have to do is to press the power key to kickstart the resetting the unlocking of the mobile device. Press it once. Give it a few seconds to kickstart the resetting menu or the resetting process. If you go down to the bottom of the screen after clicking the resetting process to begin, you see that wiping data, formatting, stroke data, formatting, cache, formatting, stroke metadata, resetting, mem tag, message, data wipe, they are all complete. So the next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to check what is written there. Okay, reboot system now, then use the volume up key to take you back there. Then press the power key to reboot the system so that you can complete the resetting process. Give it a few seconds for the phone to begin the loading. In the meantime, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comments section of this video. Like this video, share it to social media, equally to your friends. Subscribe to this channel, the latest tech. This will help you to stay updated each time we drop a new video like this. Continue to stay on the device, keep it safe, because I know before now you have already charged the device to its full battery. Don't forget that this video is only designed for educational purposes only. Check out our next video after subscribing to this channel, Latest Tech. In few seconds, the phone will boot to desktop and the password, PIN pattern, face lock, fingerprints will all be erased, including your data on the device. Comment to tell us where you have issues. See you in the next video.